How to download Shein app on iPhone devices. Are you guys facing issues to download Shein app on your iPhone device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now click on search bar and search for Shein. Click on the second option where you can see this icon for Shein. Tap on Get. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your app will start to download. It might vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. As soon as you get downloaded, just simply tap and open. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna download Shein app on your iPhone devices. If you guys have any issues regarding Shein app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.